How to use TikTok promote feature step by step. To use the TikTok's promote feature, first of all, launch the TikTok application onto your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now make sure that your account is eligible for this feature as well. Now to set this up, you simply have to go ahead and launch the application itself, and then go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. Then head to the TikTok Studio. From here, scroll down until you find the promote option. Once you tap on it, you simply have to now go ahead and then choose your promotional goal. Push your content to people highly likely to watch the video through the completion or more website visit or even more followers and messages options. Once you select your desired target audience, now you simply have to go ahead and budget and allocate the duration. Once you do this, you simply have to complete the payment and submit, or simply tap the start promotion. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.